Hi, my name is Oni, or Chef Belaful as some of you know me. Now today I'm going to be showing you something really interesting. I'm going to be showing you how I make my oatmeal fufu. Yes, oatmeal as in porridge. Now if you're like me and you like your swallow, you don't want to be fanning around, you just want to get right into it. Now, there is a different method where you have to blend the oat into powder form and then get a saucepan, put your hot water and then put the oat in the saucepan and then take it from there. But what I'm going to show you today is something totally different. It's quick, easy, and boom, you have your oatmeal ready for you to start eating. Right, I'm going to explain to people who are not familiar with the word swallow. I am from West Africa, Nigeria to be precise, and when we say swallow, swallow is a category we use to group everything that looks and behaves like pounded yam. So you've got your pounded yam, you've got your gari, you've got your lafu, you've got your amala, you've got plantain flour, you've got everything that looks like pounded yam, where is that shape and you use it to you use it with your soup. That's what we refer to as swallow. So just like many other African countries, we use these as our accompaniment for our soups in Nigeria. Moving on swiftly, we will need some oat. Now, I would advise you to always check the content of your oat. You don't want oat that's got sugar or milk in it, unless of course you want to have porridge, and that's fine. That's absolutely fine. You can go ahead and make your porridge, or if you're going to make oat as fufu to use with your soup, you want to make sure it hasn't got no milk or sugar inside, and you can find that in the content if you check it. Now, if you're looking for a healthier option, because a lot of people seem to be running away, which is the best thing to do really. If you're pounded yam and stuff like that's heavy. Now if you're going to stick, like I like my swallow, so again I'm going to tell you what I found from reading, researching and all of that. Now pounded yam is a lot more starchier than oat. As you know, oat has a lot of benefits, so to use oats as opposed to using pounded yam only because of the health benefits. And these days people are trying to eat clean and eat a lot more healthier than they used to. So porridge is always a good option because it's high in fiber. It's incredibly nutritious. There's a whole lot of benefits attached to this. Oats is rich in antioxidants, so it's something you might want to explore. If you haven't tried it before, you might want to try it. I also use coconut oil. It's not compulsory. It's something that I like to do even when I make pounded yam. If you try it, you see the difference. You don't have to use a lot, just like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. So you can use that when you make your pounded yam, your gari, whatever. When you make it, you notice the difference. This is something that I like to use. You can use olive oil, it doesn't have to be coconut oil. I'm only using coconut oil because that's what I've got in my pantry. So you just take like a spoon and you put it just before, whilst you're using your what's that thing called? Whilst you're using the wooden spoon or whatever it is you're using to make your pounded yam, your gari, your whatever you're making, put a bit of it. You notice that it kind of brings it together, it binds it together, and it just what you see. You will also need a blender. I'm literally just using my smoothie maker. You can use whatever blender you have. If you've got something that will blend it smooth, then even better. Use whatever you have. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a measuring cup. Otherwise, I would just normally eyeball it. So I'm just going to, that's 180 ml. I'm just going to measure that out. And then you would also need to put the same, slightly above, so maybe 200 ml of water in the blender, because you don't want to make it too liquidy. If you look at this, I've just done it, I've just eyeballed it and done it, but I wouldn't advise that you'd make it that liquidy, just slightly thicker than that, you know. Obviously depending on how you like your swallow. If you want it a bit harder or if you want it softer, then you obviously put the water that way. But I've just used 180 ml, measured the oatmeal, and then you measure the water slightly above that, maybe like 200 ml, and then see how it goes. If you need to add water, then you add water. Now I'm adding a bit of coconut oil, and then you just mix it. Again, let me just mention, if you look in, you can see like that very thin, almost like a thin crisp or something. You can take it out. You don't have to mix it the way I've mixed it. You can just take it out. So just do that. Remember, your porridge is normally 2 minutes. So think about it. It doesn't take this long to cook. You just mix it the way I'm doing. Mix it, and then when you look at it and you see it's cooked, you know, I'm just literally just going to shake the pot just to bring all of that together. And can I tell you, it is the coconut helping it, you know, helping me, you know, behave like one kind of chef like that. But yeah, you get the gist. Look at what it looks like. Now see that brown part there? You can take it off. It's that crisp I was telling you on the pot. And that's it really. I'm just putting the cling film on the plate and then pouring that over it, the oat fufu, and then wrapping it. You can have it ASAP if you like, or you can just save it for whenever you're ready to eat it. But I'm just wrapping it just for you guys, because I'm literally going to eat it now, but I'm just wrapping it so that you guys can, you know, see what I do with my swallow. So that's all wrapped. I'm just going to place it on the plate and get my soup and then start. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm having it with okra soup, and that's what the soup looks like. I'm thinking, should I eat or should I not eat? But hey, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and if there's any videos that you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section. I will do it. You guys control me. I'm happy. Just control me. I'll do it because you're my friends, you see. Thank you for watching. Bye.